All right, so we're going to use the laser cutter. I made some stuff up on a Google Slide presentation. So I have a cat, and there's layers and some text, and I'm going to make a little keychain. So I made sure there was a little hole in it. And yeah, good enough. Okay, so I'm going to go to File and then Download. And what I want is a scalable vector graphics file, .svg, of the current slide. Great, and that came in as untitled presentation 3. Title your stuff. I didn't do that. Make sure you do that. And back in the Glowforge app, app.glowforge.com, I have a new thing. I'm going to go to the plus. I'm going to go to upload. I'm going to find my downloads and find the most recent thing I did, which was that untitled presentation 3. And it's loading. If I move my face, you're going to see it processing here. It'll show you a picture of whatever's in there right now. If it's not a full sheet, that's fine. Don't worry about it. We can replace it with a full sheet. As I go back and later and print these, I'm going to make sure it's in a space that'll fit. Okay, so every single item came in, which includes the outside of the slide and the border of the picture and the border of the text. Everything came in as its own image, right? So I want to go up here, which is originally, you might see unknown material. Choose medium draft board, which is the thin wood that we're using, medium draft board. Then you have a couple options. Of all things here, you can engrave, cut, score, or ignore it, right? So these, the rectangles from the different things, I'm going to ignore those. I don't want those to do anything. In fact, I may want to delete some of these things that are in here. But right now, this is only one object. If I right-click on it, I can ungroup, and now they're individual objects. And the edge of the slide, I don't want the edge of the slide. I'm going to delete that. I just press delete on the keyboard. Same thing for a couple of these things. All right, so that circle, I'm going to delete that. And the middle of this circle, I'm going to delete that. Because really, I want to cut the outside of it, and the keyhole. That's going to cut all the way through the material. I can either engrave the letters, or actually I'm going to score those. Score is basically, it cuts a line into the material, but doesn't cut all the way through. And then for the picture of the cat, I'm going to set that to engrave, which is basically going to draw the actual photo itself. Draft photo goes much more quickly. HD photo takes a lot longer. So I'm going to go with draft photo so that goes more quickly. I don't need super high quality on this. And these images, let's see. I'm going to get rid of those. Oops, got rid of the cat. Control Z, undo. I want to get rid of these, because it's ignoring them right now, which is fine, but I just don't like seeing them there. So I'm going to grab the edge of that and delete, undo. All right, move the cat, delete that layer. Great. And there, I have it, and it's ready to go. As you save it, make sure you name it something here with your name on it.